Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and hit the subscribe button right now so that you will not miss any of my important interview cracking tips and communication tips so that you will accelerate in your careers. So, by not wasting much time, what we are going to learn today is the stress words in English. What do you mean by stress, by the way? Do you have stress words even in English as well as in our lives? Are you feeling stressed today? Please let me know in the comments. So, what is stress, by the way, in pronunciation? Jokes apart. Stress is one of the most important points in pronunciation in English. So, how you have to pronounce the stress words, where you have to use stress, high note and low note. Okay, today we are going to learn together. I am super excited to teach you. I hope you too super excited to learn from me and implement in your life. Learning is something and implementing is the important thing, guys. So as soon as you learn, you just need to implement that by just recording your voice notes, because pronunciation is all about recording yourself as much as you can. Yes, you heard that right. Pronunciation is nothing but to record yourself and see how you have improved than yesterday. All right, so challenge yourself now. Take a challenge with me and improve yourself. So in this stress words, I'm just giving you the capital letters for which you have to press. You have to do stress there. You have to stress that words which I am mentioning in capitals, and the small letters, lower cases, are without stressing words. All right. So let's learn how to do that, how to stress the words. By the way, the first word is table. 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 So repeat after me all the words, guys. Okay. The second word is doctor. 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 And the third word is order. 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 All right. So I hope you are repeating the words properly. And the fourth word is nothing but student. Student. He is a student. Student. And the fifth word is nothing but picture. Whose picture is this? Picture. 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 I hope you got that. The fifth word is nothing but tiger. Tiger. Do you know how to make tiger sound? Let me know in the comments, by the way, if you know. Tiger. 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 All right. And the sixth word is coffee. 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 Would you like to have some coffee? If you say yes, I cannot give you them online. So you can have this coffee by that time. So the seventh word is window. 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 Stress this high note. Window. 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 All right. And the ninth word is, which is one of my favorites, happy. Happy. I am super happy today. Happy. Happy. High note on HAP. Happy. All right. So the 10th word, which is most important word because it is playing crucial role in our lives. Any guesses? Let me know in the comments before you watch this. Okay. If you have any idea, just try. Which is nothing but money. Money. Repeat after me. Money. Money. MO+ney. Alright, that's all for the day. I hope you got that. And now today's assignment is nothing but what you have to do. Record your voice note. Write the words with your pen and on the white paper, the capital TA plus BLE is lower cases, right? So write as it is and then practice it by just moving your hand gestures. Table. Okay, this is the logic to stress the words, guys. So when you don't stress the words, people might tend to understand you wrong sometimes. So if you wanted to accelerate in your career, professionally grow yourself, you must learn how to pronounce, how to stress each and every word in English. By practicing it, you will improve every day. Okay, now I hope you got that. Just go and record your voice note, guys. Please take it seriously this time, all right? Because there is no right time to do right thing. The right time is right now. Do it now, do it now, do it now. Okay, I hope you do that. I believe in you. So what I would love to tell you today is I have opened one WhatsApp channel, which is Neha's English Nuggets, where I'm gonna post every day basic to advanced words and the words which can help you improve your vocabulary and your intonation, and it will help you crack your IELTS score as well, because I am posting few vocabulary words which will help you improve your vocabulary skills if you are trying for IELTS exams. Okay, so don't forget to follow the channel. I would love to see you in. Until then, bye-bye, take care, happy learning, guys. I'll see you in the next one tomorrow.